With 1.18 billion daily users on average, there's no denying that Facebook is the place to be. Apart from its role as a social networking website, it is one of the best advertising tools available for online businesses. For instance, companies have expanded their customer base by taking products across borders. For instance, companies like e-commerce giant ShopClues have tapped into marketing opportunities on Facebook and increased the return on ad spend by 15 times. Even small businesses get an opportunity to scale up their operations with a cost-effective tool like Facebook. While Facebook does seem to be a profitable alternative to offline options, Facebook is more than just advertising and marketing. It can help you earn money in a variety of ways, from promoting your products to selling your likes. Here are some quick ways to make money with your Facebook account. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Develop an app. If you have an idea for an app, then you could design an app for Facebook. You could even hire a programmer to design an app for an idea you have. In 2007, a group of students at Stanford designed an app for Facebook as a part of a college assignment and ended up becoming millionaires by selling them. So it's time to get inspired and get those creative juices flowing. Sell items on the Facebook Marketplace. Debuted in 2007, Facebook Marketplace is like a virtual garage sale, and for a few bucks, you can find almost anything on earth. Here, people can list whatever they want to buy or sell and then wait for offers to pour in. What's better, you can track down sellers or buyers from your friends' network as well. Be it that office party costume that you never wore again, or your collections of romantic songs, you never know. There might be a buyer waiting for a social media influencer. If you have a habit of knowing people later and sending friend requests first, then this is where your skill can come in handy. Companies are always on the lookout for social media influencers with big fan following to promote their products. You could promote a product on your Facebook page or profile and get paid for it. Obviously, the larger your friend circle, the better it is affiliate marketing. Being an affiliate is quite similar to being a social media influencer, except in this case, you have to select a product or service from an affiliate networking website, which is likely to interest your friends. You will post a link on your Facebook wall which contains a code and an embedded affiliate. Every time someone clicks on the link and purchases the product, the company pays you a commission. You get likes and shares. Yes, you read that correctly. You can do a lot more with your likes and shares than just impress your latest crush. To increase a product's credibility, businesses buy likes and shares from authentic Facebook profiles. The logic is that a Facebook page with a large number of likes and shares inspires more confidence among buyers about a brand. While this is just a small list, there are many other ways in which you can earn money with Facebook. As the digital barrier between people widens, it will only be a matter of time before Facebook becomes an even bigger part of our lives. Instead of being left behind as more advanced options flood the web, individuals should seize possibilities while they still can. I hope you found this post helpful. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.